Can we delete an old Facebook account that I can't access? In today's video, I'll show you whether we can delete an old Facebook account that you can't access anymore. If you've lost access to your email, phone number, or you just can't remember the password, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First things first, simply go to the Facebook login page and simply tap on forgotten password. Just enter the email address, phone number, or username associated with the account. For example, I'm going to be writing this email. Once you've done that, simply tap on continue. Now, the straightforward method is to simply enter the password. If you don't have the password, simply tap on try another way. And you can log in via these of the methods. Once you've done that, Facebook will send the recovery link and you can use the code sent to regain access to your account and then delete it. Now, even if the email or phone is inactive, try accessing it through recovery options like Gmail recovery. If you regain access, you can use it to reset your Facebook password. Now, if you don't have access to any of those, what you can do is simply report the account to Facebook. To your current or new account, just log into your account and find the account that you want to simply delete. Let's say this is your old account. Simply tap on it, tap on three dots, and here you can simply tap on report profile. You can simply tap on something about this profile. You can simply choose fake account pretending to be someone else, or choose I think my account was hacked or someone. Just follow these steps to report the account. You may need to provide proof or identity like government ID to verify your request. And once you've done that, you'll be able to simply delete an old Facebook account that you can't access.